I'm Haldorai, maths teacher, worked in St. Joseph's College, Kannur. I born on 26th 7th 1956. Now I'm 65. After completing 65 years, I just thought, why don't I share my views with the mathematicians in the world? Mathematics is a sweet subject. The sweetness of mathematics can be enjoyed provided you are regular and sincere. Generally they say you should be an intelligent fellow and so on. But my observation says it is not necessary. Only thing, you have to be sincere and regular. As long as you are sincere and regular, you will love mathematics. Mathematics will love you. This is the reflection you will get it from. It is in the geometrical progression. If you love once, that will give you it 2 times. If you do it 4 times, that will give you 8 times. If you do it 8 times, that will give you 16 times. It will always double. You will grow. Your growth will be up to infinity. Now I would like to share my views about Ramanujam's birthday magic square. That is, given a date, we can form a magic square. Those 4 numbers, for example, today's date. Today we got Independence Day, 75th Independence Day. Today is 15th August 2021. These 4 numbers are random numbers. Now I am going to design 12 more numbers so that when you add row wise, column wise or diagonal wise, in other words, in 10 different ways you add. That is, there are 4 rows, there are 4 columns and 2 diagonals. In 10 different ways you add, you will get the same total. And the beauty here is the total is 64. 64 is a perfect square. So this year I am expecting a perfection. God has given a beautiful number for us. 64 is 8 square or 4 to the power 3 or 2 to the power 6. It comes once in a while. And I realize that today, and I would like to share my views with you. So today, 15, 8, 20, 21. Now let us take these 2 numbers, 8 and 20. That is the internal numbers. We are going to split these 2 numbers into 2 other numbers. Look at here. I'll explain. 8, 20. Sum of these 2 numbers is 28. I'm expressing that as the sum of 9 and 19. 9 plus 19 is 28. Okay, so sum of these 2 internal numbers will be equal to sum of these 2 external numbers. That is in brown in color, whereas this one green in color. Green is in progress. The brown is already existing. Okay, after finishing these 2, that is the corners are faced. Now let us move on to the next. The heart. This is what the heart. 50% of the heart will be filled now. For that, we have to take these 2 numbers. Look at here, 15 and 19 diagonal numbers. And then 15 plus 19 is 34. I'm explaining that as the sum of 2 numbers 11 and 23. 11 plus 23 is 34. So sum of these 2 numbers will be equal to sum of this is now like a cross. Similarly, we can take the other 2 numbers, that is 9 and 21. 9 and 21 is 30. That is expressed as 16 plus 14. That is also 30. Okay. So the heart is ready. Once the heart is ready, and we got 2 more numbers to be filled here. That is, we take the external numbers 15 and 9. We express this as the sum of 2 numbers. 15 plus 9 is 24 and 22 plus 2 is 24. Look at here how beautifully the numbers are assembled. It's 20, 21, 22, 23. So rhythmic. As you do any work, you must think of the music. That is why I told mathematics is a sweet subject. Look at the sweetness here. We have to bring in. Okay. So 9 plus 15 is 22 plus 22. So this is 24. That is also 24. Okay, now only 4 numbers are left over. These 4 numbers are the simple arithmetic. It's a classwork for you. The sum of 4 numbers is 64. Let us add these now. It's 64. The sum of 3 numbers are given to us. The 4th number to be found. This is a routine work in your classroom. That is, now let us add now. This is 20 plus 23 plus 14, which is 57. Now 64 minus 57 is 7. That is how we are getting this number 7. Similarly, when we add these 3 numbers, we are getting 35. 64 minus 35 is 29. That is how I am getting. This is a very simple arithmetic. You need not have to have extraordinary knowledge for this. This is simple arithmetic, maybe 6th standard or 5th standard level. Similarly here, 2 plus 14 plus 11, which is 27. 64 minus 27 is 37. That is why we are getting this number 37. Now 22 plus 23 plus 16 is 61. Now 64 minus 61 is 3. That's why I'm getting this one. Now look at the charm here. We started with this internal number and I express that as the external numbers here. Same thing holds good here also. And we take these 2 numbers, external numbers. This is what the observation. As far as science is concerned, we have 2 important facts. That is observation and classification. That is what we have to do now. We are observing it. These 2 external numbers, which is 40. Now add these 2, that is also 40. It works everywhere. Now we take these 2 numbers, the external numbers, 15 plus 21. Now the internal numbers, that is 36 and this is also 36. That is the beauty. So you observe. I found few things. I think you may get more ideas. When you get it, please share with us. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to express my views.